Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to share your URL on Offerup. So what you want to do first is open up the Offerup application. Now, after that's finished loading, what you want to do is you want to click on your profile picture image on the top right-hand corner. Now, once that's finished loading, you want to scroll down and then click on public profile. So public profile is under the account category. Simply click on that. Now, once you're here, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see an arrow that is within a square that's green. You want to click on that. And then afterwards, just simply click on copy. So now what you have here is basically a copied URL of your Offerup account. If you actually paste what you copied from Offerup, let's go ahead and paste it. That is your Offerup account. So it does come with a little blurb in the beginning where it says, check out these items I found on Offerup. But essentially, this is how you share your URL on Offerup. You can send this to other people on Offerup. You can send this via message. You can send this via any sort of communication platform in which you want to share your Offerup account. This is simply how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave that down below as well.